Excel tricks and tips. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into some of the most valuable Microsoft Excel tips and tricks. Separate first and last name. My colleague got an assignment to separate the first and last name from the complete name. He started doing it manually. I asked him to stop doing this or use this trick. Just type first and last name in the first row. Press Ctrl+E. It will do the magic. Grading test. Stop grading like this. Select the range. Function key F4 to lock the range. Function key F4 again. Double-click to copy the formula down. Highlight cells. Don't highlight cells manually like this. Instead, press F4 to repeat the last action. Column width adjustment. Don't waste your time manually adjusting column widths. Don't do like this. Do like this. Right-click and view code. Type in this code. Start typing again. Column widths will be adjusted automatically. How to make progress bar. Go to cell where you want the progress bar. Is equal to rep open bracket. Speech sign. Comma. Select cell multiply by 100. Close bracket. Now quickly change the font. Select Playbill. Down the formula. It's done now. Enjoy it. How to make charts. Select the data for the chart. Go to Insert. Select Charts. Select from the list of available charts. Press OK. Change the chart title. Now you can format your chart using the available options. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.